The smartphone industry keeps evolving, and at this point, if you're a brand not offering value for your product, you would be left behind. This is the Galaxy A34, and in my own words, is the younger yet bigger brother of the Galaxy A54 right behind me. It's looking to be the number one option for people looking for an affordable yet powerful mid-range device. I've used it for a while now, so allow me to share my thoughts. I'm Desi, and this is the Galaxy A34 5G.
I ran up a check, I might do it again.
Immediately, you can tell it's not getting left behind in Samsung's new approach to designing their smartphones. You'd be more than right to say it does look like the Galaxy S23, at least from the back. It's seamlessly rocking the three independent camera layouts whilst having only the Samsung branding at the bottom. According to Samsung, the materials used for the Galaxy A34 are from recycled materials. I don't specifically know which materials were used for this device, but it's nice to see Samsung is continuing with a recycled fashion. I can confidently say this device feels comfortable in hand and doesn't feel cheap despite it having a lower price tag. It has an aluminum frame that matches the color of the phone, which in this case is silver, and it reflects light, giving off a more rainbowy look when light bounces on it. The other colors available include what Samsung calls the Awesome Lime, Awesome Graphite, and Awesome Violet. To the right side of the phone, the power and volume buttons. To the bottom, a speaker and two microphones. On top, another microphone and a SIM card slot. The A34 has a 6.6-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display, which is 0.1% larger than last year's A33. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate, up from 90Hz on last year's A33 as well. At first glance, you can definitely tell it's truly a Samsung display, giving off great viewing angles and accurate colors as you'd expect. It however still has a water drop notch and pretty thick bezels like we've seen from most A-series devices from Samsung. I'm glad to announce the Galaxy A34 is IP67 water and dust resistant, which should pretty much keep you protected from water damage. For protection against drops, the Galaxy A34 has Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The Galaxy A34 comes with a Dimensity 1080 chipset with a Mali G68 GPU, as well as either 6 or 8 GB of RAM. It smoothly performs tasks such as playing shooter games like Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG on high graphics. You can load up a bunch of huge files on this device easily without worrying too much about storage thanks to its 128GB or 256GB internal storage. It comes pre-installed with Android 13 One UI 5.1, and just like the Galaxy A54, Samsung promises 5 years of security updates and 4 years of Android OS updates. Talking of security, it has an under-display fingerprint reader, which is pretty fast for a mid-range device. If you are wondering how long this device can last on daily usage, you can easily get up to 12 hours of screen on time thanks to its 5000 mAh battery. It also does support 25-watt fast charging. Cameras are a huge part of any device, especially when making a purchasing decision. The Galaxy A34 is no slouch. You're getting a 48 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 5 megapixel macro, as well as a 30 megapixel selfie camera. Wasn't really expecting much from this device, but it delivers some solid pictures and videos. Now to the price, the big elephant in the room. The Galaxy A34 starts at a price of around $429 for the base model, that's the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Galaxy A34 has really amazing features and software longevity for its price. You're not only getting a great looking device or great battery, you're also getting a bigger and brighter screen with a high refresh rate as well as amazing cameras. It's honestly a steal, and a lot of people would go in for this device. If you're curious about the Galaxy A54, I have a video right here you should definitely watch. I'm Desi, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.